Hi, hello my friends. Today in this video I am going to share my experience of my background, my experience in Empower Network and our team Rockstar Global. So first thing, I am Shailendra Kant and I have got 25 years of experience of corporate, and that experience includes all the three sectors: public sector, government sector and private sector. I was completely jobby, and but it has got left no clue how to fulfill my dream. In fact, I completely lost my dreams. Although I was on the top management section of the private sector as well as in government sector. Then I came across this MLM QNet, and it was tremendous. It was awesome. First time I learned that these are my dreams, and I was really happy. I was earning money also, but there was something going wrong. I was making a lot of calls. In fact, I was not freedom of mind was not there. I was fully busy. So I was in a search of something which is really different, big. Then I found the Empower Network, and at that time, just before that, I wanted to tell you one more thing. When I was in MLM, at that time I got the offer of this job again. When after leaving the job I am telling you, about 6 months after that, I got the job again. Offer of job of an annual package was $200,000. $200,000. So my friend, you can understand what was the capacity of that one. It was almost double the capacity of what I was earning in private sector when I left. So it was option was clear at that time. I should choose to go back or I should choose to be an entrepreneur. But then I became entrepreneur, completely entrepreneur. In Empower Network, I wanted to tell you something. One experience I wanted to share with you, because this is the internet community in which we are earning through internet. A lot of packages are there. In this, we have to generate a lot of leads. That is the primary thing. And once I was told by my senior, my leader, that I should be investing some money for that. But the money involved was very high. So I was afraid whether we should put money or not. So that was a check, inner check from myself, that whether I should go or not, whether we should take risk or not. It is nothing but it's a feedback from your inner self, that whether you are going through that to overcome the fear or not. And I chose to go there. And that's why I placed third on the leaderboard of maximum lead generation section. My friend, my next frontier is in coming few months. I should be in the maximum sign up section of the leaderboard of Empower Network. Now third thing which is very important, that also I wanted to share with you, and it is leadership and training. You see, even if you have selected very good company, very good compensation plan is there, but if leadership and training is not there, then you are not going to grow. But fortunately here we have got a very powerful team Rockstar Global. Name is there, team Rockstar Global. Right now this team is the fastest growing team in Empower Network, and it is the best in Asia. So we are organizing hangouts. Hand-holding is there. Newcomers are immediately hand-holded, and they are given 90 days business plan, forward path. One thing I wanted to tell you, that you are joyful when you are expressing, when you are sharing, not when you are seeking. And that is 100% true for our team Rockstar Global, because we are sharing everything. It's an excellent platform, and there is no doubt somebody coming in this team will grow like anything. In fact, In leaderboard, we are dominating. Many times in most sign-up section also, there are 4 or 5 persons who are dominating in 1 to 10, many times. And in the last, I wanted to tell you only one thing. When the sun sets, then the stars are appearing. And we are the team Rockstar Global. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.